Hi, and welcome inside the Sleep Your Way to Mastery workshop. I am so excited that you're here because when I discovered how to sleep right, everything changed. It is a real game changer. So let's go in. What to expect. I hope you're ready for Friday, December 19th at 12 p.m. New York Eastern Time to start your first mission to designing your high performing sleep blueprint. So here's a game plan. What are we going to do together? Well, we're going to clarify your mission and your winnings. We're going to discover the real cost of sleep deprivation. And we are going to talk about why sleep is an actual high performance state and design your sleep blueprint. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to craft your own high performing sleep blueprint together with me inside this workshop and reclaim your heroine sleep superpower. And your winnings, they are countless. So if this is you, feeling tired all day, cranky, and moody, well, the real cost of that is beyond what you can imagine. Sleep deprivation ages the skin, shortens attention, impairs memory, and lowers libido. And for women, it's so much worse than men. And that is because of our hormonal cycles. And did you know that sleep is the other side of the coin of flow, which is the highest state of peak performance? So now I want you to imagine the future you, the masterful sleep heroine. Imagine the sleeping beauty that wakes up refreshed, full of energy, and with a clarity of mind. So here's what we're going to see inside this workshop. Together, we're going to design the right timing for you to sleep. What does it mean to go to sleep deaf, blind, cold, and hungry? Powerful rituals and neuroscience tools to fortify those sleepless nights for you. And what you'll get inside this workshop is the high performing sleep blueprint that elite performers use, your own worksheet, which we are going to craft together, a personal feedback from me on your sleep hygiene audit, access to this workshop for life, and bring in all your questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. And did you know that change happens on two levels: somatic, which means physical, and mental, cognitive. So in this workshop, I have a little surprise for you. After we go through all of the mental part of why sleep is such a high performing state, we are actually going to tap and remove any mental blocks, release disbelief from the body, and code in the new possibility that this high performing sleep blueprint can do for you in your life. So, are you ready for a holistic change? Your mission, join me Friday, December 19th at 12 p.m. New York Eastern Time, and let's create some sleep magic together.